Good morning, I'm meteorologist Michael White. This is our webcast on fox10tv.com for Wednesday morning. More scattered storms going to be a part of the forecast today, combined with high humidity and, yes, more hot weather. Temperatures will be approaching 90 heat index values easily at around 95 later today. As we look live at the Storm Tracker radar, well, I say live, at the time we're doing this, a little bit after 9 a.m., we do have some light to moderate rain tracking from southwest to northeast across parts of Baldwin County, southern Jackson County, and even into some of the rural sections of the Panhandle and the north part of Baldwin County. We're going to continue to see more of these form as the day progresses and then tapering off once the sun sets. Now, out in the Gulf of Mexico, we've been tracking this tropical disturbance the past couple of days. As of 9 a.m., the probability of development 40% within the next 48 hours, and we are primarily looking to see this feature be nothing more than a rain producer for a good chunk of central and south Florida. Most of the model projections are going to bring this thing into the Florida Peninsula, and then it's going to hug the Atlantic coast. Assuming that track is correct, we will end up on the western side, and therefore we would not get much rain out of the system. But we'll keep a watchful eye on it over the next couple of days, but tropical storm hurricane development not looking likely with this. 9 a.m. temperatures, 83 degrees in the Port City, 81 for Brooklyn and Gulf Shores, 80 Pensacola, 82 Fort Walton Beach. And once we factor in the humidity, this is how warm it actually feels outside. As of 9 a.m., the heat index in the Port City, 88 degrees in the city of Five Flags. In Pensacola, 86. And Fort Walton Beach, heat index as of 9 a.m. at 88 degrees. Now, your wind flow coming in out of the south and east. Very, very moist, muggy air coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. That's the reason things feel so thick outside, and we're going to see it stay that way all day. The high will be 89 for this afternoon. Heat index around 95, 50% chance of scattered showers and storms. And what's going to change things is going to occur after this weekend. We're still going to have the southerly flow. That's not going to go away. But a big, powerful center of high pressure out west is going to build in across our section of the Gulf Coast, and it's going to create what's known as a ridge. Underneath those ridges, conditions are very hot, very humid, and the rain chances begin to decline underneath those things. Now, over the next 24 hours, we will just see off and on scattered showers and storms tracking to the northwest, most of which will fade away late this afternoon and into tonight. But the Futurecast model does indicate it is more than possible for light to moderate rain to exist from Gulf Shores to Destin for several hours, even into daybreak on Thursday, so bear that in mind. Beachbound, expect a high of 87, a moderate rip current risk with a water temperature of 82 degrees. Inland, your high 89 with an east wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, a few storms on the Panhandle, lows in the upper 60s and lower 70s, and up on your 7-day planner. We start to see the temperatures jump beyond 90 next week as those rain chances fall. Overnight lows, though, are even going to jump up into the mid-70s. That's a good indicator. The already high amount of humidity is going to get even higher next week. So get ready for it. That's your webcast. Thanks for watching here on fox10tv.com.